Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share our thoughts on an essential product for dog owners, the large dog ramp designed for beds, couches, cars, trucks, and SUVs. We came across this fantastic product online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? This large dog pet ramp is specifically designed to help your furry friend easily reach high surfaces. Whether it's hopping onto your bed, climbing into the car, or getting up on the couch, this ramp is a practical solution for dogs that may have difficulty with stairs or have mobility issues. Now let's dive into some of the standout features that make this ramp a must-have for pet owners. First and foremost, safety and comfort are at the forefront of its design. The ramp is built with a non-slip surface that allows your dog to confidently climb up and down without the fear of slipping. This is crucial for older dogs or pets recovering from surgery who may need a bit of extra help. Another great aspect of this ramp is its lightweight and portable design. Weighing in at just a few pounds, you can easily carry it with you, making it perfect for travel. Whether you're heading on a road trip or a camping adventure, you can conveniently bring this ramp along to assist your dog in navigating uneven terrain or simply to help them access their favorite spots with ease. Ease of use is another highlight. The ramp unfolds in seconds and can be placed wherever it's needed, no complicated setup required. Once it's unfolded, it's designed to be stable and secure, ensuring that your dog can use it confidently. Now, let's talk about size. This ramp is specifically designed with larger dogs in mind. It's wide enough to accommodate even the biggest breeds, providing plenty of space for them to walk up and down comfortably. The ramp is sturdy enough to support dogs of all sizes, so whether you have a Great Dane or a smaller breed, this ramp can handle it all. If you're looking for a solution for your car, this ramp excels in that area too. It's particularly beneficial for dogs who find it challenging to jump in and out of vehicles. The ramp offers a stable surface that makes the process much easier, helping to reduce strain on their joints and making travel more enjoyable for both you and your pet. For those wondering about dimensions, when folded, the ramp measures approximately 39.37 by 15.75 by 2.36 inches, making it compact enough to store easily when not in use. When unfolded, the height can be adjusted between 14.95 inches and 24 inches, accommodating a variety of different vehicle heights and surfaces. In practical terms, this ramp is ideal for a range of situations. If you have an older dog, a pet recovering from an injury, or simply a large breed that needs a little assistance, this ramp can make a world of difference. It allows your dog to maintain their independence while ensuring their safety and comfort. In conclusion, the large dog ramp for beds, couches, cars, trucks, and SUVs is a versatile and practical solution for any dog owner. It combines safety, portability, ease of use, and a sturdy design to cater to dogs of all sizes. If you're tired of lifting your pet or worrying about their safety on stairs, this ramp is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to